Hey guys, we're back in the garage today, and we're gonna be driving the Red Roadster tomorrow, all weekend, Labor Day. This hot rod, I've seriously been waiting 2 fucking months till we get back from a tuner. So we're not racing this. That sucks. So kind of moved on to smaller little hot rods for now. We're building this wagon. I made a little exhaust pipe for it. My typical giant gnarly opening, like the Red Roadster. Painted some wheels. And unwrapping them. There's the little frame I made for it. Not too bad. A little rad from a dirt bike. Little tack speedo thing from a bicycle. A whippersnipper engine. Yeah, I made all this except for the handle. That's Radio Flyer. Well, this is a Wagon Express, but they're the same, pretty much. Yeah, painted all the hardware. That's just what I got going on. I'll show you the completed hot rod when it's all done. I'm gonna find a little hose for the rad. I got lights for underneath. They're pretty simple. It's 20-inch LED. Comes with a battery. It says don't use it, but I use them. They last forever. So, yeah. Minty. We were gonna go pink, but the next one maybe will be pink. We'll make a trailer for Hudson's hot rod. And then we'll make a Tonka yellow one. But they're hard to find around here, so if you got one, let me know. Comment below. There it is. Right here. We've also kind of been pumping out these wagon builds. This one's a little too beat to build, so I'll just use it or sell it. But I am cutting one in half and shortening it to make a trailer. So I might make a video on that. And that'll be for the little Harlow, her wagon. Her wagon's just going to be a trailer for Hudson's hot rod. So yeah. And here's the project car. It's quite the project. Datsun Z. It's working on all this. Getting rid of some stuff. Cleaning up things. Just gotta pull the harness. Strip all the paint and paint the bay. Woo! But my neck's been out of place for a month and a half. I can barely work under this thing. Ugh. This thing's been acting funny. It's not wanting to start. The door locks lock and unlock. The AC turns on. The clock resets. I don't know. I got 2 batteries in it. I should do a little load test. That's what I should do. Check out these batteries after. Not feeling too good, so I'm wearing a mask. And yeah, little follow-up video. Just showing how this thing's doing. We haven't really touched it in a while. We'll see how she starts. So while we're waiting for this thing to warm up, our season's over. There's not really any more racing to go put GoPros on. And we just had a little girl Harlow, so kind of busy doing some stuff. There might be a race to go to next Saturday if I can escape. Well, on the Datsun we did some spot welding. Got rid of a couple clamps.
Probably get rid of a couple more. We cleaned up a couple spots, straightened a couple things. I'll take that out and repaint it all black. Taking this harness out now. That's for the blinkers up here and the headlights and all that stuff. We'll simplify it and maybe tuck it up under. It's I don't even remember what year it is. It's a 280Z. It was 76, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna strip it all down and paint it. I don't know, what color do you guys think we should paint it? Try to give us some likes for this video, and we'll show you some more of what's going on. We got the interior kind of taken apart and been cleaned up a bit. I'm a little sick. I got the A-frame out right now. It's over there for the window. So yeah, I put new felt in it. We're gonna do door pins. I'm gonna get new carpet, new seats. Put it all back together. Some sort of inline 6 turbo deal for in here. That's up in the air. Not working, but kind of scrapping a little bit here and there. It's got this bumper on it I bet you guys have never seen before. I'll get rid of that after I go to safety. It's on the road. So yeah, just working on taking the wiring out. Oops. I had a big dent and a big kink. So we kind of got rid of those. Yeah, this thing's been sitting a bit. Some corrosion on her. So we're trying to see what's up under here. And get rid of that harness that comes through there. And, well, yeah. All up in here. And I can't breathe. Pretty sure it's not the COVID. Yeah, here's the hot rod. Needs a little more of a clean. Got the tan interior. So we'll get at her. Anyways, so I worked and I heaved and I hoed. And I got this thing out. I guess my flash isn't turned out. Got this out, unplugged a bunch of stuff. Whew, I'm almost there. I just gotta heave out these two plugs, I think. Then I can get this harness out of the firewall. But I want to take a little video. Just show. See if we can see where these wires go. Whoa. So I got it. You gotta squeeze these tabs. Those things. You can get your plug out. Oh, it sucks. And that was in the car. They couldn't have put it on the other side. And just made it unplug. Oh well. So got that wire done from here. And then we got these ones to do. And then we got that red one to do. And then it'll come out. Well, Here we go. Finally. Hey guys, we're out here in the yard wandering around a little bit, and this video is just to show you guys. I've been picking at the Datsun and the Nissan, and I've been working on the race car. I just put up that shed. Where's his finger? There it is. I really don't like the phone camera, but I'm getting used to it, I guess. I could have went to a race today, shot the last thing there is going down the track, but it's not that entertaining. There's no fun fast cars. There's no cool rotaries or Supras or Pro Mods or anything, so I just didn't go. Kind of sick, so I didn't really bother doing much. Just trying to get better. Oh, hold on. So yeah, we're just gonna pop a little video together today, and we're trying to grow a little bit, but we're not getting too far. I always pump out the same old crap, so it's not really any different. But maybe I should be showing you guys my project cars, but those views don't really go anywhere. I did, however, just build this shed. And I don't really show stuff that I do. But there you go. I can do things. I'm trying to figure out a different editing program. If I get Premiere Pro, I'm gonna be so lost it's not funny. But we could do some cool stuff for you guys. So just stay tuned. Let us know if we should grow a channel. I got another channel, but it's not really that big. I haven't put anything new on it you guys haven't seen on this one, so yeah, I don't know. Wish we were racing. Trying to get the car tuned. Talked to another tuner today, so I'll hear from him on Monday. So we'll see. It's gonna be pretty cold. At least if we get it tuned, we can do a garage burnout for you guys. Maybe we can make it to a lapping day. We need some new Johnnies. Need a transmission. Need a tune, alignment, diff, with a tranny. So we'll pick on those this winter. This thing will be done if I get working soon. And if not, well, we got the Datsun, and we're going to try to put a 2J in the Datsun. I don't think I really want to go the RB route. I did, but now I don't. So we'll spend that extra money. So like, comment, and share. Help us get these things going, guys. Also, give our Facebook page a like, because we just started that, and it's like 10 years too late. And we need a logo design, I feel like, so let me know. Comment below.